Mga Koji, so I saw a post from someone sa isang IT group and I think it's something that a lot of people can relate to. So ito, basahin nyo. So this is a kind of topic that I really want to chime in on because I've been there, I've done that. So let me share my take on this. But before that, I assume that si writer is maybe a fresh grad or naghahanap pa lang ng unang role niya sa IT industry. So here's my advice to you. So first, remove the in-demand mentality because it only limits you to only pursuing jobs that are currently in demand or popular. At kahit makapasok ka pa sa in-demand role, what if hindi mo pala gusto ang trabaho mo? So you will end up chasing something else again. Pero tandaan natin, what's in demand today may not be in demand tomorrow. That's why I believe in choosing the path that you really want because this isn't just about your short-term goals but you're building your long-term career. Second, ask yourself, ano ba ginagawa mo habang naghanap ka ng trabaho? I remember after finishing my college, I locked myself in my room for 2 weeks. Nag-focus lang ako sa fundamentals of programming until one day, hindi ko na malayan na nakagawa na ako ng app. That gave me a boost in my confidence. And because of that project, kahit experience ang hanap ng company, I was given a chance. Third, minsan kahit 10 applications na ipadala mo, 10 din ang rejections. Pero hindi ibig sabihin na walang nangyari. Every interview is experience. Use all of them to grow and prepare for the next one. Walang madali sa simula, but tandaan mo kung ano yung pinakamahirap, ayun din yung pinaka-satisfying. Fourth, what you know today may not be enough tomorrow, so you need to keep learning. Leverage AI to accelerate career growth. And last but not the least, stay motivated. Keep moving forward. Your season is coming.